Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video we are talking about how to fix Anbernic Rg35xx stuck on a loading screen or its logo. If your Anbernic Rg35xx is stuck on the loading screen or the logo, it could be due to a software glitch or corrupted firmware. To fix this issue, there are some steps to follow. For that, you have to first restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue. Turn off the device by holding down the power button until it power off. Wait a few seconds and then turn it back on. Some of the devices have a reset button or a key combination to perform a factory reset. Refer to the user manual for specific instruction. Typically, you might need to hold down the specific button like the power button or a volume button simultaneously to trigger the reset. If the device is still stuck on the loading screen, it could be a hardware issue. Inspect the device for any visible damage. Ensure that the battery is charged and power button is functioning correctly. If none of the above steps work for you, then you have to contact the customer support for further assistance. They may provide the specific troubleshooting steps or recommend sending the device to repair. Hopefully this video help you to fix your issue, and if you want to know more detail about the product, I'll give you the link in the description. You can go from that link, and if you want to buy the product, you can buy from that link. Thanks for watching.